right, I'm going to do a real quick tutorial explanation of the passenger side engine bracket subframe spacer installation. So this side requires two different size spacers, and the reason why I'll show you on these here, we've got the bolt, which uses the 12mm spacer, and then the stud, which uses a larger. And if you can see them side by side here, you can see one of them's larger than the other. And the reason for that is because of this little shoulder right here at the bottom of the stud. So what happens is if you use the wrong size spacer on that stud, it won't go down all the way. It'll stay right on the top of that little, see, it won't go down all the way over it. So that little gap right there creates a little space. There's no way to spread the load of the engine moving around, and it just puts all the shear force right on that, and it breaks it off. So that's why you have to use the larger spacer there so that it slides down. Everything clamps together nice and tight and spreads the load so that it doesn't shear off. So that's why there's two different size spacers here. So basically all you have to do is remove this nut here, take this bolt out, it's going to get replaced. Once you take that nut all the way off, you'll be able to drop the motor down and then slide this spacer over top of the stud, and then simply bolt this bracket back in place, and there'll be a spacer right in between this bracket and this bracket. So that's pretty much it. It's actually really easy, and hopefully this video explains it a little better.